I thank you for the restoration of every loss in my life. Today, I receive the recovery of all the things that the enemy took from me. I receive them back now in the name of Jesus. Open your mouth and pray it. Shaka para telefeto sukutulika pakata. Receive lost hope. I regain my lost hope. I regain my lost vision. I regain my lost graces and mantles. Go ahead and speak to God. I receive it. I receive the restoration. I receive them. I receive them. I receive them. I receive them. Even lost resources, they are coming back. Lost favors, lost glories, they are coming back. Lost integrity, lost identity, lost character,